Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious grape sorbet using just a blender. It's incredibly simple and refreshing. First, let's gather our few essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of frozen grapes, which are the star of our show. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of sugar to sweeten things up and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice for a zesty kick. And of course, a powerful high-speed blender is key for that perfect, smooth texture. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to blend. Carefully add the frozen grapes, sugar, and lemon juice into your high-speed blender. Begin by blending on a low speed to break down the grapes, then slowly increase to a higher speed. Remember to use your blender's tamper to continuously push the frozen fruit down towards the blades. This ensures everything gets incorporated evenly, creating a wonderfully smooth and consistent mixture. Achieving the perfect sorbet texture is crucial. If your mixture seems too thick and isn't blending smoothly, you can add 1 tablespoon of water at a time. Be careful not to add too much liquid, as this can lead to an icy rather than creamy sorbet. Continue blending for about 2 to 3 minutes until the consistency is thick and smooth, resembling soft serve ice cream. This ensures a delightful, melt-in-your-mouth experience. Congratulations, you've just made homemade grape sorbet. For the absolute best flavor and texture, serve your sorbet immediately. You can garnish it with a few fresh mint leaves or a couple of whole grapes for an elegant touch. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the freezer. Enjoy this delightful and refreshing treat within 1 week for optimal freshness and taste.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.